Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rian. We are from Group PBLEF 11. We will present to you our project progress. Our project title is ParkQuest Sistem Parkir Pintar dengan Pendekatan Gamifikasi. Our project manager is Mrs. Sartika, and our CO project manager as well as client is Mrs. Miratulusna Mufida. Next, this is our group member. I am Rian as leader, and my teammates are Juan Jonathan Enggolan, Vivyo Safat Marpaung, Elis Aulia Tanjung, and the last is Jian Sapinatun Naja. Next, project description. ParkQuest is a smart parking system that makes things easy search for parking at Polytechnic Negeri Batam. This application utilizes real-time data and user information to predict parking availability, assist navigation to an empty place quickly. With element of gamification, user get point for successful parking, share information, and complete mission. ParkQuest aim to create a great parking experience more efficient and enjoyable.
Here are our project outputs. There are report, logbook, application, manual book, branding products, and HKI. Our project achievements until now. There are 14 project achievements such as system analysis, use case diagram, use case scenario, and the others. Functional and non-functional. We have 12 functional requirements such as register, login, park recommendation, and the other. And we have 7 non-functional requirements such as security, scalability, performance, and the other. System modeling. This is our system by general, like users can register, users can login, and the other. Use case diagram. We have one actor called users or Civitas Polybatam, and we have 13 use cases. The main features of our application are parking recommendations and searches, which are supported by a gamification system. Use case scenario. This is an example of a scenario we created. First, there is a parking recommendation scenario where the user can recommend parking in the application. Second, there's a parking search scenario where users can search for parking according to recommendations from other users.
Next is activity diagram. This is an example of activity diagram that we create. First, there is the parking recommendation activity, where this diagram explains the flow of recommending parking. Second, there is the parking search activity, where this diagram explains the flow of search for parking. Next is the example of sequence diagram that we create. First, there is the parking recommendation sequence, where this diagram explains how the class in this recommendation parking are related. Second, there is the parking search sequence, where this diagram explains how the class in the search for parking are related. There is class diagram. In this diagram, we have 24 classes such as user, rank, mission, and the others. ER diagram. In this diagram, we have 22 entities such as users, rewards, referral codes, and the others. Relation scheme, we have 25 tables such as users, roles, questions, and the others.
Next, we have mock-up. These are mock-ups and prototypes for our application. As you can see, we have homepage, registration, login, dashboard. This is parking search. This is for parking recommendation. Next, this is for survey. Next, this is for mission. Next, this is mock-up for leaderboard and stop. This is mock-up for referral code. This is mock-up for inventory, and this is mock-up for profile.
Okay, thank you, Jian. Now, this is the video demo that is presenting right now. As we can see, there is the register form. You can choose either internal or external version of it. If you already have an account, you can just log in. You can choose your role, internal or external. After you do that, you can log into the dashboard where you can see our dashboard right now. And this is the survey part. This is as far as we go for now, but we will continue on the progress as much as we can. Next slide, please. Okay, this is the RPP or RPP. Next slide, please. Okay, this is the notes that we made. This is the user persona. And this is the interview setting questionnaire. This is our to get the user's habits. And this is the work history. This is our logbook to record our PBL progress.
Okay, this is a division of teamwork. My name is Rian Abdullah and my work are backend, relational scheme, ER diagram, and the others.
My name is John Jonathan Enggolan, and my work are activity diagram, front end, manual book, and the others.
And I'm Elis Aulia Tanjung. I'm work at NUTS, use case scenario, poster, and others.
And I'm Dian Safina Tenaga. I'm working at Report Document, SFL, and SDL.
My name is Tivia Sofatmar Paum, and I work as the sequence diagram, front end, and testing, and etc.
Project completion presentation. This is our percentage project. We have 46 done and 54 in progress. Problem. Our problem is building application. We need to learn and adapt with new programming language. The next step. Step 1, front end. We will complete it unfinished front end part. Back end, we will completed unfinished back end parts. And testing, we will doing testing on application. And the last is document. We'll complete incomplete supporting document. That's all for our presentation. Is there any mistake? Please forgive us. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.